Losing weight isn't just about losing fat. Most people don't realize they're trading muscle sometimes for a smaller scale number. Then they wonder why they feel flat, weak, and cold all the time. Leucine helps preserve muscle, even without training, even without a large amount of amino acids present. That's the standout detail here. The reason why I say that is because all the studies on building muscle say you require, or your body requires, or needs all the other essential amino acids with leucine in order to get a long enough muscle protein synthesis spike to build muscle. But evidently, if you're just trying to spare muscle, the key amino acid is leucine. In a world where most muscle preserving advice involves lifting heavy and eating more protein, this was a subtle but a measurable edge with minimal input. I think it's pretty cool. But let's not get carried away. There's a few things that leucine didn't do. It didn't lower blood sugar, it didn't improve insulin sensitivity, and it didn't fix metabolic syndrome. This protocol wasn't a metabolic cure-all. It definitely wasn't planned that. It was trying to see how, with a low calorie deficit, especially with missing protein within the diet, how leucine would kind of play a role in sparing muscle. And in men especially, it sure proved that it could do that. So if you're chasing better glucose control, you'll still need to focus on your overall dietary quality, fiber intake, resistant training, sleep, and stress. But as a muscle preserving aid during a cut, for those cutting back on calories as well as protein, and especially for people who can't train hard or who are already metabolically compromised, this is compelling research. Now, one of the more interesting wrinkles in the study was the effect was stronger in men. Men in the leucine group held on to significantly more muscle. Women, on the other hand, sorry ladies, their results were closer to the placebo group. We don't know exactly why. It could be hormonal differences like low testosterone or different estrogen responses, baseline muscle mass, where men kind of typically start with more, or just sample size noise. There were more women than men in the study, which can skew the averages when they're calculating everything. But it doesn't mean that leucine doesn't work for women. It just means the signaling wasn't as strong in this group under these conditions. And to come to think about it, that's actually a good reminder. Supplements don't work the same way for everyone. Context matters. Your diet, training, your hormones, they all influence how your body responds. Biology isn't always democratic.